Hello my dear students, in today's lesson we're going to talk about the numerals, yes? Let's start our lesson. So what is it? Numerals, in what cases we'll use the numerals? In linguistics, numerals, number names, are specific words in natural language that represent numbers. In writing, numerals are symbols also representing numbers. In mathematics, including computing, there are the meanings and the definitions of numbers, or the different stages of the history of science. The terms representing numbers can be classified according to their use. Cardinal numbers will be described quantity. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yes, 11, 12, and then we will continue. So then the ordinal numerals. Ordinal numerals describe position in a sequential order, first, second, third, and etc. The terms next and the last may also be considered a kind of ordinals. The third one, partitive numerals, describe division into fractions, half, third, quarter, and etc. Multiplicative numerals describe repetition, ones, twice, threes, etc. Then collective numerals will describe groups of entities composed of several parts, single, double, triple, and etc. And the last one, distributive numerals, describe dividing and assigning in portions, in pairs by the dozen. So, cardinal numbers. Cardinal numerals indicate exact number. They are used in counting. Yes? Okay, they can be simple. From 1 to 12, 100, 1,000, million, yes? 1 million, 10 million. So we continue. Derivatives with the suffix -teen, 13, 14, or t, 20, 30, and the composite 21, 22, 24, 29, 27, yes. Then 31, 39, or 30, 22, 20, 35 also will be the cardinal numerals. For numbers above 1 million, there are two different systems for naming numbers in English. For the use of suffixes such as kilo for 1,000, mega for 1 million, milli for thousands, and etc. The long scale, decreasing, used in British English, designates a system of numeric names in which 1,000 million is called a milliard. But the latter usage is now rare, and a billion is used for million. The short scale, always used in American English and increasingly in British English, designates the system of numeric names, in which 1,000 million is called a billion, and the word milliard isn't used. So, ordinal numbers are the words representing the rank of a number with respect to some order, in particular order of position. For example, first, second, third, and etc. Its use may refer to size, importance, chronology, and etc. The adjectives. Ordinal numbers are alternatively written in English with numerals and the letter suffixes. First, second, or third, second, yes, or t. We'll add, we must put the 1 and the st. The second, 2 and the nd, or 2 and d. Ordinal numbers are the words representing the rank of a number with respect to some order, in particular order of position. First, second, third, and etc. For example, its use may refer to size, importance, chronology, and etc. The adjectives. Ordinal numbers are alternatively written in English with numerals and letter suffixes. First, second, or third, fourth, 11th, 21st, 477th, yes, in some countries written rates omit the suffix. Also, it's nevertheless pronounced. For example, for pronounced the 4th of July, yeah, July 4th, 1776. Then ordinal numbers refer to position in series. Common ordinals include zeros or nulls. Yeah, see below. Zeros will be tens, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, only one, yes, ninth, only one e. Ninth will be 10th, 11th, 12th, 12th will be 12th, 20th, 30th, 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, and the 90th. 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, and the 19th. Zeros only has a meaning when counts start with 0, which happens in a mathematics or computer science context. Ordinal numbers such as 21st, 33rd, etc. are formed by combining a cardinal 10 with an ordinal unit. 21st, 25th, 37th, 58th, 64th, 79th, 83rd, and the 99th. Higher ordinals are not often written in words unless they are round numbers, thousands, millions, billions, and they are written using the digits and letters as described below. Here are some rules that should be borne in mind. So the suffix the and the st, nd, and the rd are occasional written superscript above the number itself. If the 10th digit of a number is 1, then write the after the number 4, for example, 13th, 19th, 11th, 9th, 31st. If the 10th digit is not equal to 1, then use the following table. If the unit digit is 1, write this after the number. The 1, zeros, yes, zeros. Then the first one is SD, the second one ND, the third one, the third one, the fourth one. After 4, we'll add the suffix, yes. After 6, after 5, after 6, after 7, after 8, after 9, also we'll add to the numbers suffix z. So, partitive numerals. In spoken English, ordinal numbers are also used to quantify the denominator of a fraction. The fifths can mean the element between 4th and the 6th, or the fraction created by dividing the unit into 5 pieces. In this usage, the ordinal numbers can be pluralized 1/7, 2/7. The sole exception to this rule is division by 2. The ordinal term second can only refer to location. In the series for fractions, English speakers use the term half, plural halves, and 1/16, for example. Then, what about the dates? Yes, there are a number of ways to read the yes. The following tables offer a list of valid pronunciations and alternate pronunciations for a given year of the Gregorian calendar. 1 BC, the year is 235, most common pronunciation methods, yeah, 999, 1000, 1050, 1901, 2001, 2010, 2010 will use. Alternative methods: before Christ, BC, before Christ, and before the common era, BCE. 235, 235, 999, 999, 999 will be 10,100,000, 10,000, 10,000 also 1,050, 1,901,000, 901, 1991, 21, 200, 1, 2,001, 210, 00. Also, negative numbers. The name of a negative number is the name of the corresponding positive number preceded by minus, or American English negative. Thus, 5.2 is minus 5.2, negative 5.2. For temperatures, Americans colloquially say below, short for below zero, so temperatures of below 5 below. Then, check yourself, read the numerals and the name its type. 9th of February, yeah, 9th of February is 1997. Then 1 by 1, 7 plus 5 equal for 12, yes. Then twice, 7 minus 25, 10 minus 18. The 22nd of July, June, 1941. I live in Tverskaya, Street 25, flat 69. 121,600 square miles, and a single. Insert cardinal or ordinal numerals. There are months in a 12 months in a year. January is the first month of the year. May is the fifth month of the year. There are 3 months in winter. December is the first month of the year and is the first month of the winter. There are days in a week. The 11th of the year, 11th month. There are days in a week, 7 days in a week, and the first one is Monday, the second one is Tuesday, the third one is Wednesday, the first one is Thursday, and the fifth one is Friday, and the sixth one is Saturday, and the seventh one is Sunday. Sunday is the day of the week in England and the one in Russia. Sunday, the day of the week, yeah, the last day of the week, and the day off on the one in Russia. Monday is Monday is the first day, yeah, in Russia and in Great Britain also. There are 24 hours in a day, and in a 60 minutes in 1 hour, and seconds in a minute, 60 seconds in a minute. September, April, and June and November have 4 days, 30 days, and all the rest have except for 29 days except February, yeah? 31 days except February. There are days in February, 29 days in February except the leap year. It is the time when February has 29 years. So, let's talk about dates, yes? There are a number of ways to read years. The following table offers a list of valid pronunciation and alternate pronunciation. 1050, 1901, also 2001, 2010, 2010, also 999, 1235 will be also. So, my dear students, the time is over, and let's talk about this subject Good night.